conduct the site registration audit and signed off by the concerned party.
Okay. So EPC contractor will initiate and
Asher, please excuse me. I mean, what are we exactly talking about other than the electrical part?
Other than electrical part, like what they are telling us, sir, let's scrap materials or below the cellar
Sorry?
areas, scrap materials below cellar area, everything needs to be removed from inside the substation. If anything we have installed before and we have to remove that also.
Yeah, but that's
Then,
still electrical. I mean, are we really talking about something else now?
It means like he's talking about the all restore materials in the substation and outside the substation.
Yeah, what is restore material? What is restore material? Again, I mean, really, to quote some general statement like this makes life difficult later on.
No, Mr. Khalid, this is a requirement, okay, within the
I'm not denying that,
document.
Pablo.
Okay.
I'm not denying that. I'm saying what is it explicitly so that we can close it easily.
Actually, we have only ray filter and pollution and harmonic filter. That is balanced in the substation area. Nothing else.
Yeah, but harmonic filter here, we're not, I mean, still not even constructed.
Yes.
So
Yeah, we are leaving it for substation 2. We are not constructing that. We are looking at the other aspect.
I'm sorry, I'm not getting that clear.
We are looking at the other aspect. Mr. I think we can explain for the